Healthy habits are important at any age and can be a great way to help us maintain our health as we get older. Now, this next woman says archery has been an amazing tool for keeping her active. And it's a lot of fun too. Sometimes the best way to pick up a healthy habit is to find out what works for others.
Hi, my name is Helen. I'm a retired teacher. My healthy habit is archery because it's fun and I enjoy it.
This is fantastic. Archery is not something people would think of normally as a healthy habit. How did you get into it?
I was passing the park one day and I saw the sign that said archery was coming, and I came in and talked with the registration because I've always been interested in archery. It's just been a wonderful experience for me.
A lot of people have a healthy habit because it helps them de-stress or it has some sort of mental benefit.
Yes.
What does it do for you doing archery?
When I come to the park, I'm relaxed, I'm outside with nature, I'm mentally ready because my mind is clear and I know what the goal is. So my troubles are just gone
When you're out here.
Right.
So we talk about the physical benefits, so it is a lot of upper body strength.
When I first came, I didn't have the arm strength that I have now. This is a heavier bow than when I first started, so I've kind of improved. It's helped with my hand-eye coordination, my aiming skills, my focus, concentration, my posture, stamina for walking.
How do you make time for it?
When I came to register, I realized when the classes were held and the time frame, and what I had to do was work my schedule around that.
Now, I've never done archery. I've never even held a bow and arrow. Can you show me how it's done?
Sure. There's an orange right-handed bow for you.
Great.
And we can move right over here.
Bam! If you have a healthy habit you want us to check out, let us know on Facebook or Twitter, or tag us on Instagram at Living Healthy TV. Do you want more Living Healthy content? Well, check out these videos right here, and then subscribe for more right here.